Hi, this is Holmes Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the realm of content creation with a focus on finding the best laptop for Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting out, having the right hardware is essential for smooth editing and top-notch performance. Join us as we explore the key features and options to consider for your editing powerhouse. Number 1. Apple MacBook Air with M1 chip. A sleek powerhouse designed for the hard-working go-getter. Its lightning-fast performance, courtesy of the M1 chip, coupled with a vibrant 13-inch Retina display, ensures seamless multitasking and stunning visuals. With 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD storage, say goodbye to lag and hello to efficiency. The backlit keyboard and FaceTime HD camera elevate your user experience, while Touch ID keeps your data secure. Plus, its seamless integration with iPhone/iPad makes workflow a breeze. Elevate your productivity with the Apple MacBook Air, where style meets substance in space gray. Number 2. Lenovo's newest IdeaPad 3 laptop is a game-changer for the hard-working souls out there. With its sleek 15.6-inch HD touchscreen, powered by an 11th Gen Intel Core i3-1115 G4 processor and 8GB DDR4 RAM, multitasking becomes a breeze. Boasting a speedy 256GB PCIe NVMe SSD, it ensures your workflow never hits a snag. From video calls with its webcam to seamless connectivity via Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth, this Windows 11 home laptop is a productivity powerhouse. Get ready to conquer your tasks effortlessly in style, with Lenovo's reliability backing you up. Number 3. Acer Aspire 5A515-56-347N Slim Laptop, a powerhouse designed for the hard-working individual. With its sleek design and impressive specs, productivity knows no bounds. Featuring an 11th Gen Intel i3 processor and lightning-fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, tasks are tackled with ease. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display ensures crystal-clear visuals, while the 128GB NVMe SSD provides ample storage for your endeavors. Plus, with Amazon Alexa integration and Windows 11 Home and S Mode, efficiency reaches new heights. Elevate your work game with the Acer Aspire 5. Number 4. MSI Thin GF63 Gaming Laptop. Power-packed with an Intel Core i5-12450H and GeForce RTX 2050, it's a beast for hard-working gamers. With a sleek 15.6-inch FHD display boasting a blazing 144Hz refresh rate, your gaming experience reaches new heights of smoothness. Plus, the 8GB DDR4 and 512GB NVMe SSD ensures seamless multitasking and ample storage. Equipped with Cooler Boost 5 technology, say goodbye to overheating during intense gaming sessions. Elevate your gameplay with MSI's reliability and performance. This laptop isn't just for gaming, it's for conquering every task with style and speed. Asus has once again delivered a powerhouse with their Chromebook CM14. If you're a heavy user seeking seamless performance, look no further. With its MediaTek Companio 520 processor and 4GB RAM, this laptop handles everything from multitasking to demanding applications with ease. The 14-inch HD anti-glare display ensures crystal-clear visuals without any annoying reflections. Plus, with 64GB eMMC storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your files and documents. Whether you're working on projects, streaming your favorite content, or tackling intense tasks, the Asus Chromebook CM14 is your reliable companion. Say goodbye to lag and hello to efficiency and style with the sleek gravity gray design. In conclusion, selecting the ideal laptop for Adobe Premiere Pro is crucial for smooth editing experiences. Considering factors like processing power, graphics capability, and storage capacity can significantly enhance your workflow. Remember to weigh your needs against available options to find the perfect match. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing!